Oh my god. Yeah. How far? How far behind am I?
I'm 7th. You're 6th.
Yeah, yes, 7. Others didn't put on time.
Or maybe they don't care. The first few guys, they all have Formula 1 cars. They're gonna win for
Yeah.
sure.
All the else, like I see their levels, man. Like they are totally loyal to this game. They play this game day and night. It seems.
Mm. Everybody has fuel for 5 laps. Or what should I do?
Oh my god. I did not put 5 lap fuel.
But it's
I
4
put 4
laps
lap.
only, it shows. Anyways, I increased it. I need some weight also. Wish the fuel tank was spread out throughout the car, like, to do weight balancing. Like a flat disc kind of a fuel tank, right? That goes front to back. That'll kind of balance
Yeah.
the weight. Lap reduced. Somebody already spun out.
Somebody pushed me out. Stupid
Bad
idiot.
lobby.
Which position are you at?
6th.
Just behind you, and I'm spinning out. So all the best to you. I'm last.
Those cars are so quick, man, the Formula 1 cars.
Yeah.
But they're constantly going outside.
I am also going outside. This guy wrecked my something. The guy who crashed into me. I was going into my life. No, I'm going to lose this race. No matter what. I barely finished
We are
second.
not gonna win for sure.
At
We
least
can
I
keep
could
our
have
place.
aimed.
If I can finish 6th, I'll be so happy. This time, surprisingly, I took the chicane properly. I think the extra weight really helped, man. Made a huge difference for me. I took one extra lap fuel.
Okay.
But as the fuel gets over, I think my car will start behaving erratically again.
Yeah.
This car is so lightweight, it needs some weight on the body. I don't know where's the fuel tank in the front or back, but it has made a huge difference. But that guy is closing in the race.
It is me.
Oh, at least.
My car doesn't turn. I don't know why.
My car turns too much. That is my big problem. I wish it undisplay the so I can see the brake early and how it is turning. Lot of green.
Oh.
I managed somehow. I managed somehow.
Yeah.
That was only a miracle.
Yeah, man.
You see from my point of view, oh shit. 1 second distraction, right? That's it.
We are
The
out.
first time I went off.
Exactly.
I think that Porsche was a bit more stable than Acura.
I'm catching up to the guy ahead. Oh no, I spun out. Why are you traveling through grassland?
To get maximum traction, so that I don't have to make the car go sideways and lose control.
I have to warm my tires again. I was catching up to the other guy, you know.
But
Now I have
the
to.
guy behind is also not that far.
Okay, but I'll catch up to. My tires are just not heating up.
My tires are like 25% warm on right now.
Same here.
Very
Once you
slow.
go into gravel, it's just out. We have built up a great gap now, so it's good. I made a mistake.
That guy is right behind me. He's overtaking me. You want to go ahead, go ahead. Why do you want to stand?
I'll tell you this. Manual gears, are you using manual gears?
No,
You should, man.
I know that will go me
Literally.
right.
5 seconds penalty.
Oh, no fault. I'm the only
Cut
person without
chicane.
penalty yet.
Cut chicane. Accidentally my car didn't break. Absolute nightmare this is.
Yeah.
This rain.
I'm actually pumping the throttle and driving. I'm like fast overtaking. That's the only way I get control. Pumping the brakes, pumping the throttle.
Is it you ahead?
Yeah, that's it. I came so wide and cut inside, still I went out.
Oh! Oh! I thought Yeah.
Last one. Gonna get penalty.
Total time
7.67.
penalty is about 8 seconds.
Oh my god. That is too much.
Had I not got that
I
7-second penalty, maybe I would have won over you, right?
Oh yeah. You
Because you
got
had
eighth place.
5.8.
Yeah man. Hey man, you lapped so slow man. 219.
Yeah,
I lapped 27 more faster than my l- qualifying lap.
yeah. I don't know, it
I
was like,
lapped.
I feel like they have done some restrictions with the assists. That's why it is like so slippery for us.
I don't know. I don't think so, but I feel this way only with wet tracks.
Nice work out
No,
there.
when
Only
we
this way.
played
P8.
both of us together, right? We played alone. That time we didn't
Uh-huh.
have this issue.
I think they must have. I don't know. Because of tire wear, maybe. I don't know. 4x tire wear something.
I don't know.
I lost two